Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming essentials. A PC on Windows 10 or 11, the Microsoft account tied to Game Pass, and the Xbox app or Microsoft Store installed. Sign in with the same account that holds your Ultimate subscription. This links entitlements and cloud saves automatically. Once done, make sure Windows and the Store app are updated so the app recognizes your subscription. This prevents sign-in or entitlement errors and lets you move directly to You'll navigate the Xbox app to the Game Pass library and pick a title. Click Install and choose the drive and folder so large games go where you want them. While downloading, you can pause, resume, or prioritize files. Use this when bandwidth matters. Make sure to check the game's PC requirements and optional components like Visual C++ redistributables so the game runs smoothly. Once installed, pin shortcuts or add to the Start menu for quick launching. You can launch games straight from the Xbox app, enable cloud saves to keep progress synced between PC and console. If performance lags, adjust in-game settings and update GPU drivers. This often fixes stuttering. For store or installation problems, clear the Microsoft Store/Xbox app cache, sign out and back in, or reinstall the app to refresh entitlements. If a title won't launch, verify files via the app or check for required runtime components. These steps resolve most errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.